Track 62. A.
Get up.
B.
Wash your face.
C.
Have a shower.
D.
Get dressed.
E.
Have breakfast.
F.
Catch the bus to school.
G.
Walk to school.
H.
Have lunch.
I.
Have dinner.
J.
Go to bed.
Track 63.
Look! That's José over there, from the park. José! Over here!
Hi. It's good to see you all again.
I like your clothes, José. They're cool.
Thanks. They're new.
Are you okay, Rosa?
No, I'm not. It's the photo club project. I haven't got any ideas.
It's things we do every day.
Yes, that's right. But I can't think of anything.
Well, I get up. I have a shower. I have breakfast. I go to school. I have lunch.
You take photos.
Is that the project? Well, I can do that. No problem. Thanks.
You like taking photos too, right?
Yes, but I'm not very good at it.
Well, there's a photo club on Wednesday evenings. It's fun. Come with us.
That sounds great. I'd love to.
Have you got time for a drink now?
Sorry, I haven't. I've got school at 5 o'clock.
School? At 5 o'clock? We go to school at 8:30 in the morning.
I know. My day is different from yours.
Track 64.
On Mondays, I get up, wash my face and have a shower. Then I have breakfast with my dad. Then I put my things in my school bag and walk to school. I go to school at 8:30.
On Mondays, I get up and wash my face. I have lunch in my room and then I have a shower. At 2 o'clock, I put my things in my bag and leave the hotel. I go to school at 5 o'clock.
Track 65.
Gets. Washes.
Track 66.
Gets. Goes. Leaves. Paints. Plays. Rides. Swims. Walks. Washes. Watches.
Track 67. Example.
It's 9:30.
1.
It's 10:15.
2.
It's 1 o'clock.
3.
It's 2:45.
4.
It's 5:25.
5.
It's 5:50.
6,
It's 2 o'clock.
7,
It's 7:45.
Track 68. 1,
It's 6:15.
2,
It's 9 o'clock.
3,
It's 11:30.
4,
It's 9:15.
5,
It's 1:20.
6,
It's 8:05.
Track 69.
My Brazil blog. Hi, my name's Christine and I'm from Scotland. But I'm not in Scotland now. I'm in Brazil and I study animals. My life here is very different from my life in Scotland. Here in Brazil, I study in the evening and at night, and I sleep in the day. I get up at about 4 p.m. and at 4:10 I have a shower and then have a drink and have breakfast with the other students. At about 5:30 in the afternoon, we put our things into our bags. At 6 p.m, we go into the forest and look for birds. We write their names in our notebooks. We don't talk because we don't want the birds to hear us. At 9:30 in the evening, we stop and eat sandwiches and drink water or juice. It's our lunch. We don't stop for a long time. At about 10:15, we look for night animals. We finish at about 3 a.m. Before we eat our dinner, we write the names of all the birds and animals on the computer. We have dinner at 5:15. At 5:45 in the morning, I'm very tired. I'm ready for bed. I don't see the sun because I sleep all day, but I'm very happy.
Track 70.
In Brazil, Christine sleeps in the day. She doesn't sleep at night. The students don't see the sun.
Here in Brazil, I study in the evening. I don't study in the evening in Scotland. We don't stop for a long time to eat our lunch.